Okay, so as you can see, I am logged in my ServiceNow account and I need to go to my instance so we can start building our first dashboard. So in this case, we want to build a dashboard. So let's type here dashboard. Here is, click here, and here is the dashboard model. I am right now selecting all so I can see all the dashboards available out of box. That means that these dashboards are included in the ServiceNow instance. So let's build a new one, create dashboard, and the name will be incidents. Incident. The group, this option will help us to organize the view of the dashboards when we are looking for them. We have different types. In this particular case, I will select incident. It's not mandatory. You can leave it in blank if you prefer. And the owner is the system administrator. So I'm going to click submit. And here is the canvas for my dashboard. As you can see, there is a message in the center that said add widgets using the widget picker. It's talking about this menu option here. Uh, in our case, I will go to reports. What I am planning to do is to add the three previous reports that we built in the other lessons. So here I can type to look for those. I know that they start with the word incident, so incident. And here is some of the reports or widgets that contain the words incident. Remember that when we are working with dashboards, now the reports that we build, they refer as a widgets instead of reports. So I'm going to add this one, the incidents created over the last 12 months. Just click add. And now I can change the size of the widget. I can also move it. And it has other options that later on we're going to explore them. So now I am interested to add another widget. So the other report that we built, I want to add the incident by state pie. So let's click here to add it. Add, and here it is. But I would like to have both next to each other. So what I can do is to take it from here, reduce the size, and automatically reporting service is lining up those widgets. The next report now that I would like to add is the incident created over the last 12 months. Let's click here to add, and here it is. But really, I would like to have the detailed information below the summarized information. That's mean the charts. So let me move it down and put it here at the bottom. So here is my dashboard so far. So I have the incident created over the last 12 months, a bar, the incident by state, a pie, and the incident created over the last 12 months, a list. Also, another option that we want to explore here with the dashboards is that you can change the layout. I can apply multiple type of layout. I can use this one or probably this or this one. But really I am interested to keep it in the way that I have it before. So let me move the detail down. This one was to the right, this to the left. And let me expand it a little bit. I'm going to expand also this one. And finally, this one. but I need to reduce also the size because I would like to give the opportunity to the user to see all the information at once. So let me put it in this side. I think that it's okay. Not a little bit more. Here it is. Okay, so this is my incident dashboard. So the user, they will have the ability to see all the information summarized in a single view. Okay, all the changes that you are doing over the canvas of the dashboards, they are stored, they are saved automatically. You don't need to click save in this case. That means that at this point, there's not anything else that we need to do. So the dashboard is complete, but we will continue exploring other aspects of the dashboards. Another important aspect about dashboard, we can find it here in the configuration. Here you can create tab. We don't going to use that one right now, but I want to show you about the background. You can change the color of the background. Right now by default is white, but you can pick up any color from here and change how it looks like your dashboard. In my case, I'm going to pick up this color, and you can see the aspect of the dashboard have changed. Another important aspect that I want to share with you is how to share the dashboard with other users or group. To sharing, you just need to click to this icon, and you can share with a group, with a user of users, or based on roles. In this particular case, I'm going to share the dashboard to a user. So now I click add, and I just need to type the name. Here is, I want to share the dashboard with Ashley Parker. Click OK. I can decide if I want to send a notification to Ashley. So she will receive an email letting her know that somebody shared a dashboard with her, or I can leave it in blank. In this case, I will leave it in blank, and I can decide if I want to share the dashboard with her that she can only view or she can also edit the dashboard. That means that she can come here and modify some of the widgets and behavior of the dashboard. In this case, I'm just going to share with her the dashboard to view so she can access and read the information that we are seeing here. Click share. And that's it. Here is the message that one user was invited to use this dashboard. Now, I would like to go to the dashboard again. Remember, you can type it here also. Dashboards in self-service. And here is the recent dashboard that we built. You can also come to all, and you will see all the dashboards that are available. And look here for incidents. There are multiple dashboards for incident, but this one is the one that we built. So let's open this one. Okay, with this, I think that we finished this lesson. So I will see you in the next one.